Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Life on Linux, also known as My Computer Videos on Facebook. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install the menu image plugin. And it's not really a how-to, but more of a walkthrough of installing it. So I'm just going to get right into it now. So I want to add images to my menu. And this is one way you can do it, and later on I'll probably get into how to do it with CSS. So you just saw I installed it and activated it, and now they want me to opt into their security thing, which I'm not going to do for now because I don't know if I'm going to keep this. So we'll see what happens. And we get some basic settings here. So you can with the plugin you can do 3 different sizes, but you can also do custom sizes if you want to, but we're going to stick with the menu image sizes now and hit save. And save again on this. And then I believe it's just a matter at this point of going into the menus and picking the images. So let's go and do that. So let me go into we're going to go into appearance. Where's appearance? There it is. And we'll pick menus. So I'm just going to pick the Arduino menu here because I'm going to try to add it. And you can see you've got this came from the plugin, so this wasn't here before. An image on hover, and then you remember we just set the image size. So I'm going to set it to a smaller one, and I'm just going to do before. That's what I think I like. Not sure. Let me try it. So now I'm going to pick it from my media library, and it's going to load really slow because I got some big images. So just bear with me a second. And I think my Arduino is going to be down here somewhere. I do have lazy loading running, so it should only be loading the ones that are in front of me, but I should have scrolled down first, I guess. So what I'll do is I'll pause and I'll let this catch up. Okay, so that loaded. It just took a couple of more seconds. So I'm just going to pick this Arduino icon here. I don't know if I'm allowed to use this, but I'm going to do it until somebody yells at me. And then I'm going to leave the hover alone for now because I just want to try this out. And let's just save the menu. Now let's go and take a look at that. And I think I have another. Nope, I don't. I thought I had another one up. So let me just try to go to the. Let's go and visit the site. And let's see what that looks like. And that's a problem. So we'll have to fix that. So let me see if I can fix that. Okay, so I'm back. I undid this because I think I remember as we were going through there, it said something about resizing on upload. So let's try one. Let me just go to my Docker menu here because I'd like to put a Docker image. So let me expand this, and we'll do set image here. And so I need to upload. I don't think, yeah, oh, I do have a Docker image, but we want it on upload. So let me see if I can find this. So we'll do upload files and select files. And there's a WordPress one. I thought I had a Docker one. Let me pause this. I'll find it, and then I'll start again. Okay, so I found my Docker image. It's a PNG, so I'm just going to open that. And let's see what happens. I feel like it's not going to do anything. So this is 1300 by 895. We'll do select. And if this doesn't work, I'll try resizing it, see what happens then. So let's save the menu. I'm pretty sure I don't have, there's one little thing you need in PHP for resize to work, and I'm pretty sure that's not installed in mine. So let's go in the site menu now, or let's go to the site and look at it. And so this is going to be a sub menu, so we'll see what happens. And well, it's not giant, but maybe that's, oh, let's see what did I pick 24 by 24? Let me go in again, see if I can pick a smaller one. So this is a good, I like this sort of tour, this is good. So we're going to go back to appearance and menus. And let me go back into Docker. Be nice if it showed here too, wouldn't it? Image, oh, and I picked 36, so I want the smaller one. And I probably will even add an even smaller one. Save the menu, and let's go to our preview. And let's refresh the page because maybe it's not. Still, because that still looks too big. Yeah. Oh, so that's a nice and tiny one. So I think I want it bigger than that. So anyway, that's the tour. And what I'd like to do is have like maybe a black and white sort of icon for each one of these, so it's a little bit more obvious. I'm trying to dress up my site a little bit because it looks really terrible. But I hope that helps. I hope that gets you through faster to adding images to your menus. And have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe and hit the alarm bell if you want to get notified for more of these. Thanks. Bye.